Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the very important topic of class 12th Computer Science, that is of 2nd PUC Computer Science. Very important topic, that is Kmap, that is called as Kmap. So today we are going to discuss the most important questions related to Kmap and also the basics behind this Kmap. I am going to explain you in detail and also in a very logical way how you can draw the Kmap. Okay, before we could start solving Kmap problems, let me go with some basic theory questions related to Kmap. In this video, I will explain you the basic topic related to Kmap and along with that how to draw the Kmap. Let's begin. As you can see here, what is Kmap? A pictorial method used to simplify the Boolean expressions without having to use Boolean theorems or equation manipulations, that is called as Kmap. By using a pictorial method, we are going to simplify the Boolean expression. Okay. Here what we are doing? We are using the pictorial method to simplify Boolean expressions without using the Boolean theorems or equations. It is a special version of the truth table. It is introduced in the year 1953. Is this clear? So this is the definition of Kmap and in which year it has started. Now let me discuss the two forms of expressing Boolean expression. The first form is SOP, that is sum of products, and second form is product of sum. These are the two forms we are going to use to solve the Kmap. Okay, two forms of expressing Boolean expressions. So now one more important definition: an expression expressed either by using SOP or POS type is called canonical expression. So you can expect this definition in your 1 mark question. What is canonical expression? An expression expressed either by using SOP or by using POS type, okay, that is called as canonical expression. Now what is SOP? Let me see. What is sum of products? As you can see here, the definition of SOP is the sum of two or more product terms is called SOP expression. The sum of, can you see here, sum of two or more product terms. Can you see this? As you can see, let me take an example. The function f of x comma y comma z. Okay, as you can see, this is the products, right? One or more products is there, one or more products are there, one or more products are there, and so on. Can you see this? Yes. Here what we are doing for this one or more products, we are adding, that is sum. So this is what we call it as sum. Okay, the sum of two or more products, the sum of two or more products, the sum of two or more products terms, that is called as SOP. In your question they will mention in this form. Either they may give you 3 variables, 2 variables or 4 variables, but maximum chances are they may ask you 3 or maximum 4 variables question they will ask you. The question will be given to you in this form: f of wxyz, the function of wxyz variables is sum. Can you see this symbol? This is called as addition, that is sum, sigma. Okay, in mathematical language we use that symbol as sigma. Sigma means addition, that is sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they may ask you to draw the Kmap of this expression. Okay, the Boolean expression f of wxyz is equals to sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, at that time what you have to do is, the logic is you have to mark 1 in the cells. You have to mark 1 in cells. For SOP, remember the very important logic. For SOP, you have to mark 1 in cells. You should not forget this. Okay. Next, what is POS? Let me see here. Product of sum. The multiplication of two or more sum terms is called POS expression. Example, let me see. Function f of x comma y comma z. As you can see here, x plus y plus z, we are adding. X plus y plus z bar, we are adding. Can you see this? These all are the sum. For this all sum, what we are doing? We are multiplying. okay, the multiplication of, can you see here, the multiplication of two or more product terms, two or more sum terms, two or more sum terms is called product of sum. Okay, the logic is very simple, you should remember. They may give you the question like this, f of PQRS. If they have given as PQRS is equals to pi, then this problem is related to POS. This problem is related to POS. If POS problem, if they ask, you have to mark 0 in cells. Okay, in POS problem you have to mark 0 in cells. So very simple, if I want to say that, how can you identify whether it is sum of SOP or POS? Very simple, if it is SOP or the given question is related to POS, how can you identify? Very simple, they may give you in SOP sigma. Okay, they may give you sigma. If sigma is there, then this problem is related to SOP. Okay, that is function of some variables is equals to sum of some terms. Okay, if they give you the question in this form, then this problem is related to SOP. If they give you function of is equals to pi, then this problem is related to product of sum, that is POS. Is this clear? This is the first logic you need to remember. Concepts are clear? Very good. And one more logic you need to remember, whether the given problem is SOP or POS, how can you identify? In sum, SOP, sum of products, what they do, they will give you multiplication terms. Okay, like this, multiplication plus multiplication of multiplication of the terms plus multiplication of the terms plus, so they may give you in this form. Can you see this? Multiplication of the terms plus multiplication of the terms plus multiplication of the terms plus multiplication of the terms. But in case of POS, what they do, function of, they may give you here addition of terms into, addition of terms into, addition of terms into. Are you getting my point? Addition of terms into, that is addition of terms multiplied with addition of terms multiplied with addition of terms multiplied with addition of terms. It is just opposite to SOP. So this is the basic structure of SOP and POS. Now let me solve the problems related to SOP. Okay, let's begin the first question. Okay, now my dear students, one important note, this Kmap question will be asked for you for 5 marks in your final board exam. Okay, this question of Kmap, it will be asked for 5 marks. I am just giving you the overview. Okay, Kmap problems will be asked for 5 marks. Concepts are clear? Now, how the marks are distributed? First, you have to map with labeling. You have to map with labeling. Next, you have to do grouping, and next extraction of terms. Extraction of terms, that is reduction and output. So this carries 5 marks. So here overall for mapping, I mean map with labeling and grouping, they may ask you for 2 marks. Okay, and next extraction of terms, reduction. Okay, reduction and output, it carries 1 mark each. So reduction is 2 marks and output is 1 mark. It depends for how many marks they are asking, but generally for map with labeling and grouping 2 marks, extraction of terms, reduction 2 marks and output 1 mark. So this is the way the questions will be asked for you. Concepts are clear? Good. Now take down the first question. How to draw Kmap? First question, they may ask you the question like this, draw the Kmap for f of a, b, c, d is equals to sum of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. We have to draw the Kmap for this. See children, now how many variables are there? A, B, C, D. There are 4 variables. It means we have to draw 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, if you don't know, 4 cross 4 matrix is nothing but you have to draw 4 rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 1. Okay. Next step number, this is step number 1. Now as you can see, they have used the words ABCD. If they have used ABCD, what you should do? Here you should write AB and then this side you should write CD. If they say WXYZ, here is WX, here is YZ. MNOP, here is MN, here is OP. PQRS, then here is PQ, here is RS. Got it? So this is the way you have to mention. Now what we should do? As you can see, write AB here. These all are AB. Just write as it is, AB, AB, AB. Okay. Now first what you should do here, very simple. A complement, B complement means A bar. Can you see this line? This is called as A complement. A complement, B complement. Next is A complement and last is B complement. Okay. That is A complement, B complement, A complement B, AB, A, B complement. Similarly for CD also you are supposed to write in the same way, CD, CD, CD. First C complement, D complement, first C complement, last D complement. Okay. So this is step number 2. Now step number 3. Very easiest logic I will give you how to do it. See children, remember, as you can see here we have 4 variables. So it form octet structure. We have to draw the octet structure. Example. First let me see here how to substitute the terms. First you write 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, first you begin from here, 0, 1, then last 2, 3. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave this row, then 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you understood how did I wrote? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 12, 13 and then 14, 15. Just draw the table like this. Okay. Just you can draw like this. Okay. Now see these values. Can you see this? See these values. Here what is the first number? 1. Here first number is 1. Where is 1? This is 1. Just you write 1. 2 is there one time? Where is 2? Here you write 1. 3 is there one time? Then you write here 1. 5 is there here one time? In 5 place you write 1. 7, write here 1. 8, write here 1. 9, write here 1. Next 11, write here 1. 13, write here 1. 15, write here 1. Now children, you have to follow one rule. You have to follow these steps. Step number 1. What is step number 1? First you have to draw the octet structure, means 8 elements. Okay, where you can see simultaneous 8 elements are there. Okay, which is forming a group. You have to draw, you have to identify that. First octet you have to find, and next you have to draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 terms, 4 elements should be there, and then you have to do pairing, and then you have to find the single cell. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow. I'll tell you how to do it. As you can see here, very simple, 1 1. Can you see this row? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, or can you see this column? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Can you see the similarity? Yes, this is the similarity what we can see here. Okay, so you have to draw this. Here something is missing. let me to write inside. Okay, yes. So what is this? This is my octet 1. Octet 1. It means that, as you can see, 8 elements are here. Can you see this? These are the 8 terms forming a group. That is my octet 1. Means 8 elements should be there together. That is the octet 1. And next, what we have to do? We have to find the, okay, so it has formed a quadrilateral. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 4 elements, 1 2 3 4 4 elements. So it has formed quadrilateral and it has formed the octet structure. Now as you can see here, we have to find if any pair is possible. Is there any pair is possible in this? Yes, of course. As you can see, this 1 and 1, this forms one pair. This both forms one pair. This is my pair 1. This is my pair 1. Similarly, as you can see here, this is my pair 2. So I got pair 1 and I got pair 2. Now I have to simplify this. I have to reduce this. So how to reduce? So already we have done the marking and also we have done the grouping. We have done mapping, we have done grouping, and now we have to reduce it. And then we have to find the output. How to reduce? Okay, so we have reduced also. Let me reduce it here. Now first you find which is the octet. Here we have only one octet. Can you see this element 1 where it is lying? Can you see this red color? This is my octet. Now you have to find in which row and which column this 1 is existed. Okay, आपको ये find करना है कि ये 1 कौन से row में और कौन से column में आ रहा है. So as you can see, this one lies to first row and second column. So right here, A bar, B bar, I mean A complement, B complement, A complement, B complement, C complement, D. C complement D, as this one lies in this row and this column. So this row name is A complement, B complement, and this column name is C complement D. And come back to next element 1. This one again, it belongs to A complement, B complement, C D. C D, that is your third column, first row, third column. Okay, and next come back to next element 1. This belongs to A complement B, C complement D. Okay, and next element A complement B, C D. And next this one belongs to A B, and C complement D. Okay, A B, C complement D. Okay, and after that this one belongs to A B C D. A B C D. Can you see this row and this column, this one? And next this one belongs to A B complement, A B complement, and C complement D. C complement D. Okay, and then this one belongs to A B complement C D. Okay, children, one thing you have to see here, if in any row, if A is there and A complement means opposite, A opposite is A complement, if it is there, you have to leave that. Where you can see identical elements means same element should be there. Okay, that we have to identify. As you can see here, A complement, A complement, A complement, A. Yes, in this row, in this column you can see A complement and A is there. So we have to leave that. We should not consider it. Okay, आपको छोड़ देना है. अगर से आपको A फर्स्ट कॉलम में A और A कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ रहा है, मतलब कि इसका ऑपोजिट आ रहा है, तो आपको छोड़ देना है. That is not okay. We cannot use it. In second column you see B complement, B came. B and B complement is there. So some means changes are there, right? It is opposite. So we have to leave it. In second, C complement C. Yes, here also we can see opposite pair. So we have to leave it. But here in case of D, as you can see, all are D. So the final answer is D of this. The final answer is D of this. This is my equation 1. Now we have to find pair 1. Pair 1. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are there. This is what my octet. Octet is 8. 8 elements are there. Now pair 1. Which is my pair 1? Pair 1, this 1 belongs to, as you can see, this 1 and 1. This is my pair 1. Yes, this belongs to first row, third column. This 1. Okay. That is A complement, B complement, C, D. And next this one belongs to A complement, B complement, C, D complement. Okay. As you can see here, we have only 2 variables. So we get only 2 expressions. Now solve this. A complement, it is similar. So we have to take this as it is. B complement, it is same. We have to take it as it is. C, we have to take as it is. D complement, we should not take. So this is my expression 2. Now come back to pair 2. This is my pair 1 and now pair 2. What is pair 2? As you can see, this 1 and 1. This is my pair 2. Where it lies? It is lying in first row. Fourth row, first column. So this one belongs to A, B complement, this row and this column. What is this column? C complement, D complement. Again this one belongs to this row and this column, right? So that is A, B complement and C complement D. Now solve this, reduce it. A same, we have to take it as it is. B bar, B complement same, we have to take as it is. C complement same, we have to take it as it is. D complement and D we should not take. So the final answer is A, B complement, C complement. This is my expression 3. Now we have to solve this. Now we can say that therefore f of A, B, C, D is equals to, what is expression 1? D plus, what is expression 2? A complement, B complement, C, take it as it is, plus expression 3, A, B complement, C complement. Now you no need to take any common factor. Whatever you get here, you have to leave it as it is. This is my final solution. This is my output. Okay. Did you understood? What is the output? The output of f of A, B, C, D is equals to D plus A complement, B complement, C plus A, B complement, C complement. Understood? Just if you are going to do this much, then it carries 5 marks in your board exam. And this is very important question, and similarly you can expect the questions in your final exam. Now let me solve one more problem, okay, related to SOP. Now take down the next question. The question will be in this form. Draw the Kmap for the Boolean expression f of A, B, C, D is equals to sigma, that is sum of 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now how many variables are there? 4 variables. So we should draw 4 rows. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows, 4 columns. And then as I said you, A, B, C, D. Here is A, B, here is C, D. Then write A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. A complement, B complement, A complement, B complement. Okay. C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. C complement, D complement, C complement, D complement. Now remember this: 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now leave this: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. These are the steps. Already I have explained you how to use this. Now see these terms, what is given. See these terms, what all the things they have given. If it is lies, then you have to mark here. 0, where is 0? Here. So let me to mark 1. 2, here, let me to mark. 4, here. 5, here. 6, here. 7, yes, here. 8, here. 10, here. 12, here. 13, here. 14, here. 15, here. Now can you identify the octet? Where you can see, as you can see, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? So I have found my octet part. Okay, this one. And after that, what similarity can you see here? Yes, as you can see, this last first column 1 1 1 1, as you can see 1 1 1. It means that, as you can see here, this part, and as you can see here, this part. So this is called as map rolling. Okay, this problem is related to map rolling. As you can take one page, you fold it. You fold from this side and you fold from this side. As you can see, once if you fold this, both the ends, this end and this end, will join together. So it's similar to the folding. Okay, that is called as map rolling. Okay, it is nothing but map rolling. So this is my octet. Okay, this is my octet 1. This is my octet 1. As you can see, this side and this side, if you join, here also you can find one more octet. This is my octet 2. This is my octet 2. Okay, here 4 elements, here 4 elements. Once if you roll it, they will combine. So it will form one more octet. Okay, concepts are clear? Good. So that is called as map rolling. Now let me reduce it. First let me write the octet 1. Octet 1. What is octet 1? This. As you can see, these elements we have to write. This one lies in A complement B, and next this C complement D complement, and this one lies in A complement B and C complement D, and this one A complement B, second row, A complement B, C D, again A complement B, C D complement. Okay, now this row, this column. Okay, that is A B, C complement D complement, again A B, C complement D, again A B, C D. Okay, A B, C D, again A B, C D complement. Okay, again I will repeat. This is first A complement B, C complement D complement, A complement B, C complement D, again this A complement B, C D, again this A complement B, C D complement, this one A B, C complement D complement, this one A B, C complement D, this is A B, C D, this is A B, C D complement. Now let me solve it. A complement A, we have got opposite, we have to leave. B, 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 yes, we have to take B. C complement C, yes, opposite we got. D complement D, we have to leave it. So this is my expression 1. This is my expression 1. Now let me solve octet 2. What is my octet 2? These elements you can take. This element is A complement B complement, C complement D complement. Is this clear? This one, again this one, A complement B complement, C D complement. This one, first this one, second this one, this one, this one. Where it lies you have to write, that's it. It's so easy, right? Yeah. Now A complement B, C complement D complement. This one, A complement B, C complement D complement. Now this one, A complement B, C D complement. Okay, again come back to this, AB, C complement D complement. Again this one, AB, C D complement. Okay, next this, A, B complement, C complement D complement. Again this, A, B complement, C, D complement. Now let me reduce it. A complement A, we got opposite, leave it. B complement B, we got opposite, leave it. C complement C, we got opposite, leave it. D complement, it is same. So this is my D complement. So this is my expression 2. Now we can write here the output, f of A, B, C, D is equals to expression 1 is B plus expression 2 is D bar or D complement. Okay, so this is my final output. Any doubts? Is this clear? My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. And important note, my dear students, if any students are interested to join for our regular coaching classes, okay, in the below description also we have given the contact details. You can contact to us with the following contact number. I hope you have understood this problem, how to solve this. So this is the way and this is the same procedure you have to apply. Just you have to find which is the octet structure. Either you make it rolling, you have to see the similarity. आपको similarity दिखना है, इधर पे जैसा इधर भी ऐसे ही रहना है. Okay, which is as you can see which is the single cell is formed. Okay, which is the pairs are formed. If any pairs are formed you have to find, or any single element here, then we can get a map rolling. Okay, so similarly you will be getting the questions. Okay, you have to just identify the pairs, along with that you have to form a group and you have to reduce it in this form. Understood? So this is the simple procedure as I have shown you the method how to solve this. Okay, and my dear students, if you people need POS problems to solve, you can let me know in the given comment box. In the below comment box, I'll get back to you with the proper solution for even POS. I hope till here how we have done. Similarly, you have to use instead of 1, you have to use 0 there. Okay, so that is your POS and this is your SOP problem. Got it? How was this class? Comment and let us know. So if you have any doubts also you can let us know. We'll get back to you with a proper solution, and also we'll be releasing the passing packages for class 10th, class 12 students. Okay, and we do give the coaching from class 6 to class 12 in our regular coaching center. Okay, thank you so much to watch this video. Take care, wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.